last day in Phu Quoc. We've gone down south to go to the little tiny islands, white sandy beaches, snorkeling, the woiks, and then the black clouds setting. So it would have been 1.2 million dong to charter a private boat out to the islands. So we were all up for that at one point, and then we just saw the clouds coming in. So getting to a paradise island when it's bucketing down, and apparently rubbish snorkeling because the reef's dead, is just not worth it. So quick brew, plan B.
There's a warm one in.
Find something indoors to do before the heavens open up. Every time, our best weather is like when we're on the bikes. When we actually get to somewhere, it starts to bucket down. We'll find something. Well done for getting along without ripping up. Storm coming. It's quite appropriate, quite succinct. Don't know what the word is. It's always difficult coming to places like this. Watching the depravities that humans are capable of towards each other, the different political ideologies, different coloured skin, different religions. Any reason. Generally it comes down to money. It's kind of like your responsibility in a way to not shy away from these things so you don't become a hawk calling for war every chance you get, calling for war every time somebody disagrees, or somebody's got what you want, or somebody's not what you like. You just, there's always another solution, always a better way. Never easy doing these things. Sometimes got an happy ending. So it was about 7 jailbreaks. Was it 7?
Many attempted.
7 attempts.
5 successful.
5 successful jailbreaks from this hellhole of a place. 40,000.
This is properly forested up, which it probably would have.
This is what they will have run into.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the century is like right there.
Yeah, it's if you go to out the corner on the right.
So you're out of prison, but you're not quite
Not there.
there yet.
Surrounded by Americans and other Vietnamese people that want to kill you.
And landmines.
Landmines, guns, and the worst of us. 40,000 revolutionaries were held. 40,000 prisoners held in this area. So this bit, it's about 100 square metres, held a certain amount. All those roads that you see on the video, now it's just prisons. So Phu Quoc was a prison island. Spoiling such gifts that nature gives you for depravity. I need a coffee. I need to sit down in a meditation. Okay, travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with travelling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you Groovy Cats next time.